السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام دكتور.
خلصنا دي مورجان. اوكي خلاص اوكي duality it's easy and nothing new in it. It said that dual of the function change or to and change 0 to 1, then you will get dual function. Okay, is it helping? Yes. Okay, for example, if you take any of these لو أخذنا أي واحد من ذلين, so for example X or شوي واحدة أصعب منها. Let me take this one, A or B, and it's with A or C. Okay, we know that this one it is equal to A or B, C. So then the dual of this change or to and to or. So then here it will be A, B. And here this one will be or A, C, equal to the dual of this one. And dual of this is equal to A. This one will be and. This one will be or. Okay, by this one, by duality, you can just remember half of these. So it means that if you know this one, okay, if you know this formula, then directly you can drive the other one from it. Okay, by duality. ما في شيء جديد يعني. Also these we cover it here. So if we have X or Y and here we have X or Z, then it is equal to X with a Z and Y with X prime. هذه بعد we cover it somewhere here up. Okay, نكتبها هذه because this is useful for changing from. If you notice here, this is product. Okay, product of sum, but this is sum of product. So then this is useful to change from sum of product and product of sum. نشوف وين نكتبها. So X or Y. And here we have X bar or Z. So this one, it is equal to X bar, X Z, okay, and X bar Y, and Y Z. Well, this it's equal to 0. Okay, so this is xz, x bar y. I can write it like this. Here, if I add x bar y z, I'm not changing anything because x or x bar equal to 1 and 1 ANDed with yz, it becomes yz. So then this is xz, x bar y, and here we have x, y, z, and here x bar, y, z. So if we take common between this and this, x, z, so here we get 1, and from here we get y. Okay, and if you take common between this and this, so x bar, y, common 1 plus, and here we have z. So 1 ordered with y, so it is equal to 1, so then we left with xz. And similarly here, 1 ordered with z, it's equal to 1, so we end with this one. So then directly from here, it's equal to x, z, and x bar y. بدون ما ادش في هذه كل التفاصيل. So then directly from here, it is equal to xz or x bar y. Okay, which is equal to this. In other words, so this is product of sum, so we change it to sum of product. So if we have sum of product, then xz or x bar y, then I can open two brackets. Okay, put x, and this is x bar, so put x here, and this is x bar here. So x with z, so x with z here, and x bar with y. Okay, so which means that if you multiply this 2, then you will get x and z, and if you multiply this 2, هذه مفروض bar, sorry. This 2, then you will get x bar y, which is this term. Okay, and by this way, we change from sum of product to product of sum. The two standard form we needed actually. Let me take example here. Okay, this is sum of product. I want to change it to product of sum. Fine, product of sum form. Okay, how to do it? Well, so let me take B common here. So this is B common, then we'll get A or C. And from here we have B bar, B bar. Okay, then we get this. X, Z, X bar, Y. So this is X, Z. And the two terms are the B. Okay. And here we have B bar. So B, B bar. And here, let me say, this is Z and this is Y. So then this is equal to, open two brackets, put B here and B bar here. Okay, so of course, or, so B ANDed with A and C. So then A and the B, here we should put A and C, A and C. And B bar with D bar, so D bar we put it here. So, which means that if I multiply these two together, I will get D bar, which is this. And if you multiply these two together, then you will get A, C, A or C, and it with B. So then this is sum of product, and this one is product of sum. Okay. Any سؤال, any question here? طيب. ناخذ شوية مثال بلا تفكير. So example. Okay, this one, in this example, we have a product of sum. I want to change it to sum of product. Find sum of product. How to do it? Well, in simplification, we have this. X or Y, X or Z. This is equal to X or Y, Z. Okay, لاحظ هنا. So this term exactly equal to this. So then this is equal to A or B. Then here, just add Y with Z. So then it is C bar, here D, and here E. So then it becomes C bar, D, and E. That'll be one part. Okay, this one, this two, here we have A, and here we have A bar. So then this, it is equal to AC. So this is AC, and A bar with this. So A bar, D bar, and A bar with E. طيب الحين بس open this bracket. Okay. So let me start with this one. A with AC. So X with XY, then it is equal to XY. So then this is equal to AC. A with A bar D, so X bar Y, we know that x bar equal to 0, and 0 added with anything is equal to 0. So then with this one, it is equal to 0. Similarly, with the third term equal to 0. So then first term multiplied by all these, we'll get only AC. Okay, B with AC, so then we'll get ACB. Okay, B with A bar, D bar, so we'll get A bar, B, D bar. And B with this one, so we'll get A bar, B, E. طيب. The third term. With the first one, here we have C bar, and here we have C, then it is equal to 0. With the second, here we have D, here we have D bar, again equal to 0. Okay, with the last one, so we'll get A bar, C bar, D, and E. Okay, شو بقى الحين؟ بقى this too. So if you take AC common, then you will get here 1 or B. So 1 or B, this is equal to 1. So then this 2 equal to only AC. B, D bar, and this is A bar, B, E, and this one, it is A bar, C bar, D, E. So then this is sum of product. Okay, لا حد يقول لي I'm going to take common. Okay, if you take a common, for example, between these two, A bar, E, for example, then here you have B. From here you will get C bar, D. Yeah, you can do this one, but then it will not be product of sum or sum of product. Okay, and according to the definition, so in product of sum, so we have one variable, or it with another variable, or it with a third variable. Then we have and variable, or variable, or variable, and so on. And in sum of product, we have variable and with another variable, or variable and with variable and or, and so on. So we have only one thing, but this one is combination. Okay, here we have and, here we have or, then we have and, so then this is not the correct form. It's not the standard form. Okay, so then the sum of product standard form is this. It's not this one. واضح؟ تفضل. عادي قلنا ان الاكس xy equal to yx، لكن يفضل ان احنا قاعدين نمشي A B C D E، so then this is most significant bit. Okay, and this is least significant bit. فحطها بهذا الترتيب يكون افضل. حتى بعدين اذا كنت بتسوي التروث table or anything، تعرف directly ان this is your most significant bit. So you're going to start from 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. اوكي هاي 5 سوري. اوكي لين توصل الى 1 0 0 0 0 بعدين 1 0 0 0 1 بعدين لين توصل الى 1 1 1 1 1. اوكي اذا جيت خلطت هني حطيت السي before A و A بعدها، وهني حطيت الدي، بعدين في التروث تيبل يخربطك شوية. واضح؟ وبعدين later بناخذ طرق ثانية for simplification. بعد ترتيب اللترز يكون important. واضح؟ اوكي، ناخذ أسئلة صعبة ويبي لها تركيز. إذا تقدرون أول شيء حاولوا فيها. Another example. على الأقل قولوا لي يعني how to solve it. Yes. طبعا this is one. This is another one. How to solve it. لازم تكونوا ملمين بالقوانين يعني. This is ignore. Ignore. نبدأ بالXOR because we need both. So XOR, it is X, Y bar. X bar, Y. Okay, and for XNOR, it is X, Y, or it with X bar, Y bar. هذه أول قوانين أحتاجها. So here, ليش قاعد أقول هذه من سلة بلا تركيز؟ Because we have lots of يعني formulas we need to use it here, okay, to simplify it. Okay, this is XNOR. So XNOR, it is first and do the second. So this is the first term, which is A bar B, and it with the second, which is C. So this is the first term. Or complement of the first and it with complement of the second. So then complement of the first to the complement of the second. Okay. This one, it is XOR. So the first with complement of the second. So first complement of the second. Or first complement with the second. So it is B complement with A C bar. هذه أول خطوة. Okay, so here, let me open this one by using De Morgan. So that becomes A bar DC. This one, applying De Morgan, it becomes A bar bar, so it is A, or B bar, or it is C bar. Similarly, this one, apply De Morgan, so then it becomes A bar or C bar bar, which is equal to C, or A, B bar, C bar. حنفتش هذه. So it is A bar, B, C. This is A, C bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B, and B, C. This is A, B bar, C bar. Okay. As we said that here, if we have X or it with XY, then it is equal to X. Okay. لاحظ هني. This one and this one. So which is equal to BC. If you take common between those two, then here it is 1, or it with A bar, so it is equal to 1. This is A, C bar. This is B bar, C bar. But again, B bar, C bar, we have it here. So if you take B bar, C bar common between these two, then you will get 1, or it with A, so it is equal to 1. طيب. Can we simplify it more? B bar, C bar. لا ما بيروحون هذين يعني هذه with this هذه exclusive NOR, so it's not cancel each other. حاسب هذه لا تخطأ. This is same as this one. Sorry, this xy or it with x bar y bar, so then this is exclusive NOR, so don't cancel this too. Okay, but I can do this. خلنا نضيف هنا C bar. Okay, it means that I add 1. Okay, and this is added with 1. It is equal to same thing. So كأنه زيت 0 في الحقيقة here, and we multiply it by 1. Okay, so then we get BC AC bar, B bar C bar, A bar BC, and A bar BC bar. I think it's clear between this and this, it is equal to BC. Okay, this one, and this one, I can take C bar common. So then it is A from here, B bar from here, and A bar B from here, from the third one. Okay, لاحظ X or X bar Y, so just equal to X or Y, so cancel this one. So here what do we have? We have A, and here we have A bar B. So then you can cancel A bar from here. So then it becomes BC, C bar, A, B bar, B. طيب. B bar, so X bar equal to always 1. And 1, or it with any letter, with any variable, is equal to 1. So then this is equal to 1. So then it becomes B, C bar. طيب. Similarly here, if you have X bar or it with XY, then it is equal to X bar Y. So just ignore this one. Okay, so here we have C bar and here we have C. So just remove this. Okay, so then it becomes B C bar. اوكي فهذا example شامل تقريبا. اوكي زين حق الامتحان يعني. It's good. Okay, because you use a lots of formulas here to reach to this one. So A bar B X exclusive NOR with a C, or it with B exclusive or with AC bar, all these equivalent to only B or C bar. كل الشيء المعقد you can just use only one gate. Okay, this is B and this one is C. You can get this output with it, which is exactly equal to this one. Okay, لاحظ هني كم gate احنا نحتاج. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least if you have complement. Okay, while here just you need only one. أي سؤال, any question? Okay. شوف القوانين بعد. ارجع back. القوانين نحن. Okay. Consensus theorem. Okay. هذه very useful actually. لكن شوية في يبي له تركيز. Okay. شوية يبي له تركيز to apply it. Okay, but it is very useful. Okay, it's خلنا نشوفها. Okay. AB start with A bar C, BC. Can do this. This is AB, A bar C, and here missing A, so I can add A or A bar. It's the same as here. I just add an A bar equal to 1, and 1 added with anything, it's equal to same variable. So then this is AB, A bar C, and here we get A, B, C, A bar, B, C. So then if you take a common AB between this and this, so AB, so here you get 1 and C. And if you take common here A bar C with this one, A bar C, then it's left with 1 or it with a B. So then 1 or it with a C equal to 1. So then this is equal to AB. And 1 or it with a B, it's equal to 1. So it is A bar C. So AB is the first term. A bar C is the second term. Which means that directly from here, I can write it as it is equal to AB or it with A bar C. Okay, how to find this one? Okay, see here we have A and here we have A bar. So then a term, a new term, which is we call it consensus term. So just remove B from here, so multiply this 2, but remove A and A bar. Okay, then you'll get BC. If BC available here, just discard it. So then the simplification will be A, B, or A bar C, which means that A, B, A bar C, same if you add 0 to this one. Okay, it is same result. So this one, it is equal to AB, A bar C, if you add 0 to this one. It is exactly the same as AB, AB, A bar C, if you add AB to this term. Okay, it is same as AB, A bar C, and if you add A bar C to this term. كلها ما يتغير. Okay, it's the same as AB, A bar C, and if you multiply this 2, the consensus term, which is BC, so it is exactly the same. Okay, it is same as AB, A bar C, and if you add X bar to it, فهذه كلهم نفس الشيء. فالشاهد here إن we add one new term, وهذا الترم نسميه الconsensus term. So if you add this term here, then you will get same result. Okay, then we can discard it. Same as this one, we can discard this one, we'll get same result, or discard this, or this, or this, or this. So we end with A, B, or with A bar C. So same as this one. So this is correct for sum of product, but again, it is correct for product of sum. So if we have A or B, here we have A bar or C, and B or C. Okay. So same as we said, dual function. So if you take a duality here, then you will get a duality from here. So then from here, it is A or B, and A bar or C, and B or C. So it should be equal to A or B, and this one becomes and A bar or C. Okay, how to find the extra term? So here we have A, and here we have A bar. So again, multiply this 2, but remove A and A bar. So then left with B or C. If this term available here, then just discard it. سهل صعب. So let me see some example and شوفها سهلة ولا سهلة أو صعبة يعني. So example. Okay, in example, we are not asking you to apply product of sum or sum of product, or asking, for example, use this theorem or use this rule or like this. No, we just write here simplify. Okay, and you can use whatever you want here in simplification. So we want to simplify this expression A bar, B bar, AC, EC bar, E bar C, AB. Well, there is no unique method to simplify this one. So here I can apply same what we did here exactly. So adding a term with its complement and simplified, and we aim, but we aim with the same result, but after 1, 2, 3 steps. Okay, while if you apply the theorem directly, you can get the solution directly with one step. It's up to you. Okay, فهي ما في طريقة واحدة، الفرق الوقت. So directly if you apply it, then you need only a few seconds. While this one, maybe you need يعني 1 or 2 minutes. Why? Because you should know where to add a bar or b bar or c bar to which term, then simplify it until you reach to the same result. Okay, so similarly here we can do the same thing. You can add, for example, here c bar and continue. Okay, لاحظ هنا. I'm going to apply a direct method, but if you don't like it, then apply the longest way and you will get same result. Here we say that we have a bar. Okay, then an extra term will be equal to b bar c. Do we have it here? Do we have it somewhere? Yes, it is here. So then I can discard this. خلاص راحت هذه. Okay. Between the first and third, so we have b bar b, so then it is a bar c bar. Do we have it? No. So we don't need this. But it's not going to change anything if I add a bar c bar here, because this is the extra term that we can remove it. But if you add it, you will get the same result. Okay. خلصنا منه. Okay, between second and third. So here we have C bar, then these two, it is AB. Do we have AB somewhere here in this? Yes, so then we can discard this one. So then the term will be, or the simplification will be A bar, B bar, AC, and BC bar. Is it unique? No. Bad mob unique solution. Yeah, but this is, we cannot simplify more than this. Okay, but this is not unique. Okay, let me see, same example. So A bar, B bar, AC, BC bar, B bar, C, AB. Okay, we said that between these two, we will get A bar, C bar. And this is consensus term that if I add it here, it's not going to change anything. Okay. So same as what we did here. Yeah, here. So if you add this term, you will get same result. Okay, it is not simplest. Okay, but if I add it, then I'm not going. It's not changing anything. طيب. So now let me start from here. So if I take between this and this, then here we have A bar, then here we'll get B, C bar. Do we have B, C bar here? Yes, we have it. So we can remove this. Okay. So between this and this one, it is A bar, B bar. From here. So C bar, then we have A bar, B bar. Do we have this? Yes. So you can remove it. It's between this and this, so it's become CC bar equal to 0. فما في داعي منه. طيب. Between this two, so we have B bar, so it is AC. Okay. This is AC. Do we have AC? Yes, we can remove it down. So then we'll get A bar, C bar, or AB, or B bar C. Are there another solution? Okay, so it is not unique, but how to prove that these two exactly the same? So either by using another formula to reach from one term to another term, or by using truth table. So you can build your truth table A, B, C. Here you have 3 variables, and find the output from the first one, find the output from the second one. If this exactly equal to this one, then they are equivalent. أي سؤال, any question?
دكتور بسألك إذا بتنزل لنا توتوريال.
بنزل التوتوريال بس خلنا نوصل إلى حد إنه ممكن تحل التوتوريال. يعني الحين تقريبا ممكن تحل التوتوريال.
بسألك بعد ما عليك كمان دكتور
لو
بعرف.
حطيت توتوريال وأنت ما أخذت وايد أشياء، فوايد من الأسئلة ما تقدر تحلها، فبالتالي ما يكون له معنى يعني.
صح. دكتور المترم عندنا إلى وين؟
يعني أخلص مثال واحد بس عشان أعرف وين أوقف.
تمام.
خليه حق النكست لكتشر. بسألكم عن اللوجيك وورك. عليه بناخذ النكست اكزامبل النكست لكتشر. الميد تيرم لين نشوف لين نوصل ستيل عندنا كم اسبوع؟ 3 أسابيع، اسبوعين. this week next week والweek after. ستيل يعني عندنا تايم. نشوف لين نوصل يعني قبل المكان اللي نوصل قبل الإجازة بنقول لكم بالضبط الميد تيرم لوين.
يعني بناخذ كل اللي أخذناه من قبل.
اي بعد.
تمام.
نعتبر يعني للحين ما أخذنا شيء صراحة. في شيء آخر؟ اوكي. اللوجيك وورك 5 نزلته؟
دكتور أنا ما عرفت أنزله. ليش؟ ما شكله يبقى لي أحصل اللينك اللي لازم، لأن كتبت داونلود وهذا اللوجيك وورك يطلع لي 5.6 هيك كذي ما يتنزل.
هو مو مكتوب student version ولا professional version something like this؟
والله ما حطيت انتباه للموضوع، بس ما عرفت إني أنزله. كان عندك اللينك دكتور تكتبه لنا وجز لينك التحميل يعني.
أنا عندي البرنامج صراحة، بس المشكلة يعني إحنا ما نقدر ننزله، لأن هي مو شو أقول لك كراك يعني بما معنى ما نقدر نوزعه إذا مو بلايسند يعني صراحة. فعشان كذي أقول إن الطالب يشوف له somewhere علشان يعني إحنا نطلع منها.
ما في مشكلة، نقدر نحاول.
أنا عندي البرنامج وعندي الداونلود مالها وعندي كل ذي، فنشوف إن شاء الله تحصلونه somewhere. المهم إنه يعني النكست assignment بيكون على اللوجيك وورك، فإذا للحين في ناس ما نزلوا هذه تحتاجون أن تنزلونه، وبعدين أنا بسوي لكم كم يعني 1 extra hour، بس ما أقدر يوقت اللاب بكرة يوم الأربعاء بكون مشغول. أي ما يبي له ساعة واحدة، يمكن maybe نص ساعة بس أرويكم هاي شلون تشغلونه، شلون تركبون السيركت، شلون تطلعون الريزلت من السيركت. فهل ممكن يكون يوم السبت مثلا أي وقت ساعة واحدة بس أو نص ساعة؟ yes no. ما في جواب يعني no. أوكي، إذا الجواب no معناته بس كل واحد بيتصرف بروحه يتعلم بروحه يعلم روحه، يعني شيء ثاني ما أقدر أسوي صراحة. الوقت اللكتشر بروحه قاعد الوقت قاعد يضيق يعني، فما نبي ناخذ وقت اللكتشر حق بعد نشرح في باكج يعني how to use it. اللاب بكرة ما أقدر. النكست وينزداي وقت اللاب نبي ناخذ الاساينمنت كويز على اللوجيك وورك. ففكروا لي يوم الخميس، قولوا لي أول شيء نزلوا البرنامج، لأن حتى لو بشرح عليه وانتم مو منزلينه ما منه فايدة يعني. أوكي، فنزلوا البرنامج عندكم ليوم الخميس. ما تشوف يعني إذا قدرنا نتفق على يوم السبت خير وبركة، إذا ما قدرنا نشوف لنا وقت يوم الخميس sometime. أوكي، ممكن another option إن ناخذ بعد اللكتشر بعد نص ساعة ربع ساعة، أو أنا أخلص مثلا شوية قبل، أخلص مثلا 8 إلا ربع 9 إلا ربع ليه 9 وربع مثلا، ممكن أشرح لكم البرنامج إذا حبيتوا بعد بدل السبت. بس تعالوا يوم الخميس وكل واحد منزل البرنامج رجاءً. أوكي، أي سؤال any question؟ أوكي، بالتوفيق إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم.